Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center in one of our fabulous meeting rooms, and I've got my friend Rose with us. Hi, Rose.
Hi, I'm Rose.
Hi. She's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, Rose?
We're talking about a maintenance crew leader position.
Oh, okay. So a maintenance crew leader position at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. So I'd imagine it has a lot to do with setting up our fabulous meeting rooms for our visitors and such?
Yes, we are busy setting up all the rooms for meetings. We do theater style type meetings, conferences.
Wow.
We set up the big, huge ballrooms for weddings, events
Weddings?
like that come in.
Oh yeah, wow. I didn't realize there were weddings at the convention center too.
There's all sorts of conventions that come into the convention center. There's the facility is so huge it can accommodate all sorts of events that happen here at the convention center.
Great. So as a crew leader, I'm gonna guess that you supervise staff and a team?
Yes, I supervise a team of roughly around 5 people.
Okay.
5 crew members. We ensure that all the tables are set up. So we get diagrams for the rooms that we have events that come in, and we put out the tables, the chairs. We set the rooms according to the way the customer would like them set. We maintain the cleanliness of the rooms as well. We do the vacuuming, the windows, the trash, all that other stuff as well. So I always make sure that the crew ensures that everything gets done that's given in our agenda daily. We have a daily agenda that we go by, and depending on the event that's coming in, we make sure that it's all done up.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like y'all are responsible for a lot, and making sure that between you and the team, you get everything taken care of for the next event and the next customer coming into the convention center.
Yes, we do. Everything is from the floors to the tables, the 6-foot tables, 8-foot tables. There's round tables. There's theater style seating, conferences. We also set the waters out for our customers, our clients that come in. They have big, huge meeting rooms. Sometimes we set chairs of 1,000 people in one room. So
wow.
It's pretty busy. We deal with the customer as well, the client, and we also make sure that they know where to go. We have 4 huge halls as well that we also maintain when a client comes in, a big convention like we just had, like the NCAA.
Oh yes, that was awesome.
A big convention that came in, and they had a lot of events going on. We have to make sure that we tidy up all the rooms, the trash is picked up constantly.
Everything.
Yeah, you don't want your customers to see trash here or things there. No, so we do that as well. So.
Great. And so it sounds like you're hands-on supervisor in this position.
Yes. This position requires a leader to be hands-on. We guide our crew and make sure that they know exactly where to place a table, where to place a chair. It's very, customers are very strategic of where they want a head table, material table, skirted table, round table with 8 chairs on it or 10 chairs on it, depending on what kind of event they're going to have. Sometimes they have breakfast events here, luncheons. They go from having one room with 150 people, theater style, where you pick that up, and then within a couple of hours you have to bring it all down and drop, maybe 20 rounds of 10, so they can have their lunch there. And they utilize the room quite a bit on a turnover, so we have to be hands-on in order to ensure that the crew and all of us work as a team. So that's very important to us.
Great. Well, I know that you shared a lot with us about the maintenance crew leader position. So what would the ideal candidate for this role look like?
I believe the ideal candidate for us is definitely a team player, somebody that's highly motivated, somebody that has high energy, bring definitely positive attitude.
Oh, positive attitude.
We do a lot of walking, so you have to be ready to, get your daily steps in here. So that's always great.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Rose.
You're welcome.
In addition to everything that Rose shared, the ideal candidate for this position should have their GED or high school diploma, at least 2 years of experience in labor or maintenance, and a driver's license. Okay, Rose, so is there anything else that you would like to share with our viewers about this position?
Yes, actually, I would like to share that the fact that we're looking for candidates that are pretty flexible. Our, work schedule, it has to be flexible. We do have first shifts and second shifts.
Okay.
And our hours, usually our first shift are from 6 a.m. in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon, and the second shift is from 2 o'clock in the afternoon till 10:30 at night. So, you have to be a little bit more flexible with, your work schedule.
Okay, well that sounds great. Well, if you're interested in this position, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers and apply. Also, if you like this video, then I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.